What are you making today?
Shortbread cookies.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good. Hello, welcome back to AfroPot. Trust you all are doing great. And in today's video, we'll be making
Bread cookies.
Good. What are we making?
Shortbread cookies.
Good, excellent. I have my twin girls with me here. I'll be making the cookies together. Please do come along and follow us as we make our shortbread cookies. Let's go. The first thing we are going to do is to sieve our flour so that we'll remove any lumps in the flour. You see it? We're going to do that. We have 300 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, and 200 grams of unsalted butter. And I'm going to add some few drops of salt in it because I'm using unsalted butter. Sieve the flour. After this, we are going to add the sugar. And when you have the chunks, you don't need to remove all the chunks. These are the ones we remove. Everything is okay like this. So we'll put this aside and let's see, can you have the sugar? Add the sugar. You mix it together. Let's mix it. And when she's done mixing, we are going to add our butter. This is 200 grams of butter. Add it, and we are going to use our hand to work on it. The butter should not be too soft or too hard. We are going to add it, and you see the process when we are done. What are we pouring now? Pour the butter in the flour and sugar. So mommy is going to come in now. I'm going to do this for you girls. Look at what I'm doing. I'm going to work on it. Butter is not hard and it's not soft. We are not supposed to overwork our dough so that it will not become tough. Some people use food processor to mix everything together, but I prefer to use my hand for this kind of recipe because this kind of cookie is so tender. You have to be very careful when you are making cookie so that you get a good results when you're making it. Everything to come together. Can you see the way Mama is doing it? Who wants to help? Let me see you work on it a little and your sister will do salt. Before I finish everything. This is a joint effort. you see that the dough is coming together? Can you see the difference?
Yeah.
It's coming together. So I'll bring the mat. Put everything out. I'll now need to roll the dough out. So the dough is coming together. I'm going to put it on now so that I can shape it. I'll put this in the zinc. I'm not supposed to overload the dough. You dip a little. Come and do something. I don't want us to overwork it. So we have shapen the dough. The dough is ready. So what are we going to do next?
We're gonna poke holes.
And we are going to cut first, and after them we'll now poke holes on them. So I'm going to shape them. I want it to be even. I'll take this side away first. And cut this side away first. I'm going to cut them like this. Start poking, you know how to poke. Go bring another fork. So that we can do that. We do it like this. So you do the next one too. You go. Next. We don't need this one again. Let me put this in there. Easy one. The next one. That's so fragile, so I want to handle them with care. So we are going to bake them 350 degree for 12 to 15 minutes. I'll put the last one. Thank you. going to sprinkle some sugar on it. Sprinkle a little sugar on it. I will bake them to go into the oven. In the oven to bake 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes.
Still burning this. It's really hot.
Our cookies is ready. So this is the end result of the cooking. See how good the shortbread are. See, I'm gonna break one so that you can see. So rich. It's still very hot though. It's still so hot. Girls, you want to taste?
Yeah.
Let me make this too. You like it? So this is the end result of the cookie. They are so nice. See the back? So buttery and very nice. We'll be trying this. Please comment down below. Give us your, if when you try it, just comment and let us know how it turned out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, when we are going to see you in another great video on this channel. See you. Bye.